Hello everyone, welcome to Soham Healer's World. This is the general reading for Libra from 13th to 19th of July 2020. This reading includes your recent past, your present and your immediate future. So let's see what cards have to say. Alright, wow Librans, look at your energy this week. This is the Wheel of Fortune, one of the best cards of the deck. Well, you have a very good energy. Things are moving in your favor. Maybe you might feel that something is happening in your life repetitively, but let me tell you, whatever is happening right now is for good. Even if you don't feel that any kind of good thing might be attached to it, but sooner you will come to know that it was for your good. All right, so if you talk about the past cards, it is the Two of Cups reversed, Three of Cups and Three of Wands reversed. Well, this is showing me that in the recent past, a partnership has been broken up. It could be a love relationship. You were quite emotionally attached to this person. You trusted this person, but it broke. You were planning a long-term thing. It could be a business partnership. It could be a marriage. So you were planning that thing. Maybe you even started planning for. There was some kind of celebration also. You were planning where you will go ahead from this step now. It was a very long-term plan with this person, but something happened and it did not work out and you felt little incompatible and things could not work. So because of that, you lost your vision. You were not able to concentrate on your personal goals because everything that you had planned was with that person. Yeah, okay. So before moving towards your present cards, please subscribe to my channel for the weekly updates. Alright, your present cards are Six of Pentacles, Four of Cups reversed and Five of Swords. Well, this is showing me that, in your present, you might get help from somebody. And this person is a very generous person. This person is going to help you without any benefit of their own. And they are basically, it's a very positive thing. This person is very positive. So, you do take their help if they offer you any help. So keep your eyes and ears open, as the energy is Wheel of Fortune. So definitely something good is going to happen. I know it is, even right now you are missing that person. You're feeling very lonely. You're feeling little cheated. You are feeling that somebody took advantage of you. Some third person was there. Maybe, I don't know, I'm getting this feeling maybe it was a third party situation. Maybe it was some person, or maybe it was some situation that became a hurdle with this relationship. But trust me, I think you just need some time to heal all these things. Moving towards your future, look at this, Libra. Look at this. I told you future is going to be amazing. This is the Empress, King of Pentacles, and the Emperor. Oh my God, Queen. All these major arcanas here in your future. It is amazing, and they are giving very positive vibes. Your future is very good. Your future is going to give you whatever you have deserved. Something new is coming up. A new person might come in your life. Some new idea might come. Something which is benefit you in all the areas of your life. The only suggestion here is, try to either consult someone who is a senior member of your family before doing something important, or if whatever you have to try it in a traditional way. Yeah, even if it is a business or it is a relationship or you're planning to start something new or do whatever it is, take help from or take suggestion from any, important elderly person from your life in your life, and just see the magic. It is an awesome future, great, amazing, Libra. So, well, I don't think you should have any doubt, but still, if you have any queries, please write in the comment box, or for the personalized reading, please see the description box. Good luck, Libra.